In this video, I'll show you how to get a full refund on Airbnb. So for doing that, review the host's cancellation policy on the listing. If you need to cancel a reservation that has already been accepted, the amount of your refund will vary based on the host's refund policy. So scroll down to the cancellation section of the listing to see how much of a refund you qualify for. And if you need to cancel the reservation due to circumstances beyond your control, such as serious illness, airport area closure, security advisories, death, pandemics, government mandated obligations, changes to visa requirements, natural disaster, you will get a full refund. So get a full refund, you have to follow some simple steps. So you have to open the Airbnb application or the website, then you have to tap on the trips. And then it's at the top of the Airbnb website and at the bottom of the app. And then after tapping on the trips, it will show the trips that you have reserved, and then select the reservation you want to cancel. And after selecting the reservation, you have to tap on the cancel reservations option. It's at the bottom of the reservations details. And after tapping on the cancel reservations option, follow the on-screen instructions to submit your cancellations. Once your cancellation is completed, Airbnb will refund your amount owed based on the host cancellation policy immediately. And the refund may take up to 7 days to appear back in your bank account. And here's how to get a full refund on Airbnb. Thank you.